Jesse from Drive Fitness here. Today I'd like to give you 3 shoulder mobility exercises that are going to help maintain the health of your shoulders and prepare you for the pushing movements in your workouts, including your push-ups, your overhead pressing and your bench press. First exercise we're going to look at today is a band pull apart. It's a great exercise for a warm-up, especially for your bench press. I'm going to start by grabbing my band just inside the edges, keeping in line with my chest and squeezing my shoulder blades together until I feel a full contraction and then releasing just until the tension is released. So again, inside, pull, full contraction and then release to the tension. Now if that's too heavy, lower your resistance. So another great exercise for warming up your shoulders is a broomstick passover. Now the first thing I want to remember is keeping your arms as straight as possible. If you can't pass this broomstick all the way over your shoulders and back, go as far as you can till you can't reach any further and then rotate back around. If I go side on, I'm going to start by touching my belly button or just below, tucking my hips, passing the broomstick all the way over my head, reaching my lower back, coming all the way back around. The final exercise we're going to look at today is a weight plate backstroke. Now to start off with, I'm going to do this standing up and then I'll show you from the knees so you can see the full rotation at the top of the movement. What I'd like to do, palms facing forward, I'm going to elevate the weight plate until it reaches a full extension, rotate my shoulder and bring that weight plate back around. Once I reach the bottom, switching arms, back around. So if I went from my knees, we would be palms forward, rotate, and come back around. Switch, elevate, rotate, and come back around. Hope you found these 3 exercises helpful today. Remember that mobility is specific to the individual and what works for some may not work for you. If you'd like a more specific mobility program designed for you and your goals, get in touch with us and we'd love to help you out.